A warm greetings to all my lovely students. I am once again back with your English classes. Students, today before starting the class, let me narrate a small paragraph in front of you. And then I would like to listen to the suggestions from your side whether the paragraph is okay or you could find any error. So, let's start. Like yesterday, I had dream. I was in boat in sailing in river. Suddenly I heard strange sound and boat began to fly. I'm repeating once again. Yesterday I had dream. I was in boat and sailing in river. Suddenly I heard strange sound and boat began to fly. Alien was in sky. Alien was in sky. Alien was pulling boat towards sky. So students, this is the paragraph. Now just tell me, is the paragraph okay or is there any error? Of course students, you will say that madam, it's not correct. There is error. Now let me ask you, what is the error students? What error did you find? Yes, the error is that before the noun, some words or some letters are missing. Before the noun, some words or letters are missing. And which words and letters, students? These are a, and the. So what are a and the? A and the. These are called articles. And you have read about this in your previous classes. Now, if we insert these articles, then how would the paragraph sound? The paragraph would sound like, yesterday I had a dream. I was in a boat sailing in a river. Suddenly, I heard a strange sound. And the boat, now I am talking about that specific boat, and the boat began to fly. An alien was in the sky. In the sky, the alien was pulling the boat towards the sky. So this would be the paragraph by inserting the articles. So students, what are articles? Articles are the letters or the words which modify a noun. It tells us something more about the noun. Now, if I am telling a boat, I am talking about a boat in general. But if I am telling the boat, I am talking about a specific boat where I am sitting. If I am talking about an alien, it is in general. But if I am talking and saying the alien, I am talking about that particular alien. So, where and how do we use these articles? For that, students, we have to go and learn about alphabets. Now in alphabets, how many letters are there? We have 26 alphabets. And we very well know that we have vowels and consonants. How many vowels? 5 vowels. And consonants? 21. So let us have a look at the boat. So alphabet students, we know that there are 26 alphabets. Vowels, 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. And so consonant will be 21 remaining letters. Now, this rule you very well know that before vowels, the word starting with vowels, we generally put an, like an orange, an. So what is an? This is article, students. So generally, there are exceptions everywhere, students, but in general case, the words which start with vowel, that is A, E, I, O, IOU, like ant, then with I, ink, pot, O, orange. So with these vowels, if the word starts with these vowels, we will add an before it. That is the article an. An orange, an ant, then an envelope, an umbrella. Now, this side students, consonants, 21 letters are there. And generally, the words which start with consonant, we add a or the. Like a ball when we are talking in general, a pen when we are talking in general. But when I am telling Ganga, when I am mentioning a specific river, it will be the Ganga. So, a and an, a, the, and an, all these three forms article. And articles, they modify a noun. That means when it is told as an orange, that is one orange in general. But when we are telling the Ganga, we are talking about a particular river. So students, this is the basic thing which you should know, and then I will be telling you the rules regarding the articles. Now I will be explaining you about articles. Now what are articles, students? Articles are just like adjectives. They also modify a noun. Modify means tell us something more about the noun. They give us information about the noun. Now articles, you all very well know this is not a new topic for you. So we have three articles, that is a and the. But articles can be divided into two groups, definite article and indefinite article. Now let me explain you students. What do I have in my hand? Flowers, isn't it? So you can say it as a flower. A flower. But when I want to talk about anything specific, like if I want to say that this is a flower which is yellow in color. So when I am referring it to as something specific, then we will be using the article the. So this is the flower which is yellow in color. Now again I am repeating, I am having some flowers. So just in general, if I want to say, in general I will say it as a flower. But when I am mentioning the color, then I will be telling as that this is the flower which is yellow in color. So when we are talking about something specific, we use the article the. But when we are talking in general, we use the articles a or an. Now let us have a look at the boat. Lesson 5, articles. Now what are articles? Articles modify noun. That means they tell us something more about noun. Now articles can be divided into two more headings, that is definite article. It is called as the, and indefinite article a, an. Now what is definite article? That is the. It points to a particular person, place, thing or animal. I am repeating it again. Definite article, that is the. It points to a particular person, place, thing or animal. Now see the example. I want the book that I was reading yesterday. So I am talking about one particular book. So here we will be using the article the. As I showed you now, that when I am talking about that particular flower, I am mentioning the flower which is yellow in color. Similarly, here also I am talking about one particular book which I was reading yesterday. So I want the book that I was reading yesterday. So the is used to mention or point out a particular book or a particular person, particular place or particular animal. Now see the other part, that is indefinite article. We have two indefinite articles, that is a and. Indefinite articles refer to non-specific and non-particular nouns. That is, they refer in general. For example, I want a book. When I'm telling book, it is in general that I can take any book. English book, Hindi book, maths book. So when I'm talking in general, then I will be using the indefinite article a. But when I'm talking about something particular, I will be using the definite article the. So repeating once again, articles, the work of article is to modify a noun. It can be further subdivided into definite and indefinite article. Definite article is the. It points to a particular person, place, thing or animal. And indefinite article a or an. It is non-specific and non-particular nouns. That is in general. Example, I want a book. So it is a book in general. And here, I want the book that I was reading yesterday. So the means I am talking about one particular book. Now I will be explaining you the indefinite article a and an. Where to use and how to use. I told you that students, there are some exceptions, like some words which may start with a vowel, but then before those words we sometimes put the article a, or maybe some words which starts with consonant sound or a consonant, but before that we use the article an. So there are some specific rules which you should know. So students, have a look at the board. So now what we will be studying, students? Indefinite articles. And I told you indefinite articles a and an. Now indefinite articles refer to non-specific nouns. That means in general, when we are talking in general. Now about the indefinite article a. We generally use a before the words which starts with a consonant or a consonant sound. We generally use the article a which starts before a consonant or a consonant sound, like a ball, a pen, a chair. But then I told you about exceptions. Do you remember? Let us see this word, uniform, unicorn, or you may take the example as university. Now all these three words, they start with vowel, isn't it? But still we use a uniform, a unicorn, or a university. Why? Because here, students, when we pronounce these words, the consonant sound U comes. When we pronounce these words as uniform, the consonant sound U comes. So before these words like uniform, unicorn, and university, before these words we use the article a. Now let us see an. We use an before the vowel sounds or the words starting with a vowel, like an ant, an umbrella. But now again exception here, like the word hour and honest. These two words starts with consonant H, but still we write an hour, an honest. Now why, students? It is because when we pronounce these words, H is silent. So vowel sound comes like hour. Hour, H is silent. Honest, again H is silent. So the sound or the pronunciation which comes out, it comes out with a vowel sound, hour. So once again I am repeating, consonant sounds we generally put a, like a ball, a pen, a table, a dress. But the exceptions are like when the word starts with vowel but still a consonant sound U comes, then we put a uniform, a unicorn. And similarly vowels, with the vowel sounds we generally put an, like an ant, an in pot. But again with some of the words where the first letter is silent, like here the letter H is silent and the vowel sound comes, hour. So in these cases, although it starts with consonant, but still we add an before it. And then students, you should remember this also, that the indefinite article a or an is always used in singular forms of the noun like a pen. That means we are referring something which is one. And before the collective nouns. Now example, an egg, that means one egg. A ball, that means one ball. And then here is collective noun, a flock of sheep. So students, this is the basic rule which you should keep in mind regarding articles, that is indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles, students? A, an. Indefinite articles are always used to refer or represent singular forms of the noun, like a pen, a ball, or an umbrella. These words means we are referring to anything which is one. Now, indefinite article is also used to refer collective nouns like a flock of sheep. And then I told you about the exceptions here, students. Like, everything depends on the sound which comes. Like here I told you that the word unicorn and the word university, although it starts with U, that is vowel, but still we write a university, a unicorn, because the consonant sound U comes while we pronounce. And similarly in case of article an, although the word our, honest, see I am pronouncing, students, our, honest, it starts with H, but the sound of H is silent, and what you are able to hear, our, that is O, the sound of O, a vowel comes. So in these cases we write as an hour, an honest man. So students, this is the rule regarding the indefinite article. So hope this part is clear to you, and try to do the first exercise which is there in your English grammar book. And in the second video, students, that is the next video, I will be explaining you the rules regarding the definite article the. So students, hope the topic which I have explained in this video is clear to you. So students, take care and goodbye.